fire in eco-sensitive zones, जे म्हाका दिसता this fire that has happened, definitely we will raise this issue because I had made a request that these areas, because of afforestation, they should be declared as no NDZ because this is the need of the RN. Basically, why this has happened, Disaster Management Act, under that pretext, last time we had raised, Berger company, paint company, when that episode had happened, basically this is a failure of this government with regards to this disaster management, and there are fire mafia also involved. I had asked the Honorable Chief Minister to investigate into this. Definitely we will take up these issues. Apart from that, there are several other reports also by ISRO declaring that both the districts as landslide affected. Also, there is a report which says that there is due to soil erosion, Amgeli coastline, 15.2 hectares basically we have lost due to this soil erosion. I'm sure that we will raise our queries. Fire mafia, how did that happen? Actually, what is the cause? Till today, where is the disaster management authority? Purposely, whether this is done so that they could land grabbing je mukar jawpa shekta. We are highlighting this and we have said that these areas should be declared as no development zone. And all these culprits should be booked. Whether is it a natural process because of the humidity and the temperature did it happen, or did it happen, was it planned? So let the government clear on this. It looks like it is done by fire mafia.